Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. This video covers the solution of question number 3 of subject code 1413 Financial Accounting, which is related to the autumn 2022 AIOU examination system. So let's start reading the question number 3, then we will see its solution. Assuming the indirect method is used to prepare the statement of cash flows, tell whether each of the following items would appear in cash flows from operating activities, in cash flows from investing activities, and in cash flows from financing activities. In the schedule of non-cash investing and financing transactions are not on the statement of cash flows at all. So here are the descriptions or the statement that you have to decide on the basis of these five uh, statistics that have been mentioned in your question 3 statement or narrations. Dividend paid, and before going to the statements, I am going to share with you one thing, that there are two methods of preparing cash flow statement. One is indirect method and the other is direct method. As question has a secret of the indirect method, so we keep it in mind your that in that matter we are dealing with the all non-cash expenses as adjustment and changes in cash changes in cash movement or cash flow. So keeping in this scenario, we are going to be nominate or assign each statement according to the characteristics of the question as described in the question number 3 narration. So dividend paid, cash outflow, financing activities. Why I am going to give you the reason, as issue of earnest stock is a part of financing activities, and we are going to pay dividend against that issued share or outstanding share. So uh, as a link, this will be the part of the financing activities. Now statement 2 is here, cash receipts from sales. As we are dealing with the preparation of cash statement and the indirect method, so sales is not be the part of the statement of cash flow at all under this method. Decrease in account receivable operating activities. This is related to the changes in working capital, and it is related to the capital assets, current assets. So decrease in account receivable, it is related to the operating activities, and further it is belong to the changing in the uh, working capital. So sale of plant assets. So as we already mentioned that we are going to be cash the movement of cash in or out from the company in the statement of account. So sale of plant just is a sale. We didn't know either we are getting profit or loss as a result of sale of plant. So it will not be the part of the statement of cash flows. So next, gain on the sale of investment. Uh, Investment, maybe you have purchased some marketable securities and you have sell in the market, and as a result you will gain on the sale of investment. So what happened, it is investing activities, because it is not related to the fixed asset. Investing activities related it, so it is part of the investing activities and as well as operating activities, as gain and also non-cash item, and it will be appear under the heading of non-cash expenses adjustment. So gain in income is added, so here we will subtract gain from the net income. Issue of stock for plant assets is both financing and investing activities. uh, Issuing of stock is related to financing, and acquiring plant against these shares is or stock is investing activities, and it is, you can say that I think it's non-cash item, because we are not, no investment or cash is involved under these transactions. Issue of common stock financing activities is purely financing activities as already mentioned here. So solution is ended here. So I hope you will find this solution useful. If you find it useful, please like this video and share with your friends. And if you find any mistake or if you want to add something from your side to improve the solution, the comment section is in front of you. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.